Meet our flagship devices, the CoreRTLS Tag series and the CoreRTLS Locator. The Tag is compact, lightweight, and battery-powered. It is built with CoreHW's patented antenna design and advanced Bluetooth technology. In optimized deployments, it delivers true three-dimensional accuracy of plus or minus 10 centimeters. It delivers multi-year battery life and supports over-the-air updates for simplified maintenance. Motion-triggered power saving extends operational life. And fully sealed waterproof enclosure withstands repeated washing and sanitization without compromising performance. The Locator is a high-performance anchor that powers the positioning system. It supports both small setups and large, complex environments. Each locator can handle hundreds of tags while maintaining real-time responsiveness. The system is easy to deploy and scale as requirements grow. To support system evaluation, CoreHW offers a plug-and-play evaluation kit. CoreRTLS EVK4 is a complete pre-configured hardware and software platform for assessing RTLS performance in your own facility. The kit includes locators, tags, a mini PC server, and required networking components. Built on our 4th-generation Bluetooth AoA technology, it enables accurate 3D positioning, even in complex indoor environments. You can measure location accuracy, evaluate asset and personnel tracking, and validate system performance under real operating conditions. Deployment is straightforward. With pre-configured software and an intuitive interface, testing can begin within minutes, enabling a smooth transition from evaluation to development.